Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all having a fantastic day. Today we have on the menu an iced coffee. Like I said, it's summer, so what better way to kick it off than to make summer drinks. So let's get into it. We have here a very classic iced coffee. And what do we need for that? A cup of coffee. This should be brewed overnight. This is a very strong coffee. If you're brewing your coffee, you make sure you do it twice the size because you need it to be very strong for this recipe. I have about 2 cups of ice here. I have 2/3 cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm just using regular whole milk here. I have a tablespoon of flavored vanilla syrup, and this is optional. You can choose to use it or not. But for this recipe, we really need the condensed milk. I have a 1/4 cup of condensed milk here, and this is what is going to do the magic. So let's get started. So for starters, if you have a blender, you can use that. If you have a bullet, you can use that, but I'm using a food processor. I go in with my ice, and then I follow up with my coffee. Next, I put in my milk, my condensed milk, and then I end it up with my syrup. Then we blend it. So here we have it, friends. That's it. It's as easy as ABC. Friends, our refreshing classic summer iced coffee. I hope you're inspired to try it. And when you do it, leave me a thumbs up, a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hope to see you again in my next video. For our next iced coffee, we have the MOCHA, and for the recipe, we have about 2 cups of ice here, 1 cup of coffee, and I have 2/3 cup of milk here. I have about 1/2 teaspoon of salt because we have chocolate here, and everybody knows salt goes very well with chocolate. So I have this fudge. I have about 1/2 cup of fudge chocolate, and I have 1/2 cup of condensed milk. So let's get started. To start off, I go in with my ice first. And then my coffee. Go in with my milk. My condensed milk. In with that fudge. I top it off with my salt. Okay. Time to blend it out. So here we have it, friends, our MOCHA iced coffee.